I got a chance to spend some time with the newly launched Vivo X100 and I've been hearing people say that it's a DSLR killer. Well, is it? If you ask me, I'll say phone cameras have come a long way, and this Vivo X100 has got pretty hefty camera specification with the price tag of $69,999 for the top variant. That is quite a price tag for a Vivo phone, but does it justify the price tag with its stunning design and a gigantic camera module? Vivo X100 with its beautiful 6.7-inch curved screen and a lightweight design with these little design elements give it a college student vibe that fits perfectly among other phones to give consumers more room to decide what to get. I spent 2 days with the Vivo X100 and I have to mention that the AMOLED screen on this device is super good. The colors are vivid and navigating the UI is buttery smooth, all thanks to its 120Hz panel. The display gets bright up to 3000 nits with superb viewing angles. Just like this amazing screen, the design of the Vivo X100 is another thing that caught my attention. The color I have here is called Star Trail Blue. To me, it resembles the Neptune's rings. Well, why not? It's my extreme imagination. You get a 5000 mAh battery with a Type-C charging port and 120 watt of fast charging. The funny thing is that there is no wireless charging even at this price point. I have been listening to music on this device for hours and using this device heavily, and the battery managed to last all day without charging. The stereo speakers here offer a great sound quality that has a punchy nature. I could hear all the instruments clearly from various genres. You might miss the low end like we experience on the iPhones, but overall the speakers on Vivo X100 are adequate for most users. Everything on this phone satisfies the modern day standards. One might get curious to know about the camera performance, as the brand is marketing it as professional photography machine. And also, people saying that it's a DSLR killer. I clicked some pictures around my house just to give you an idea how much of a DSLR killer is this Vivo X100. It has a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera is 15 megapixel f1.6 with laser focus and OIS. There's a 64 megapixel telephoto f2.6 70mm OIS with 3x optical zoom. Ultrawide is 50 megapixel f2.0 that gives you 119 degrees of viewing angles. My daily driver is this iPhone 13 Pro Max, and here are some side-to-side comparisons. This right here is a Sony Alpha A7, a 24 megapixel mirrorless camera with a f1.8 lens on it. Here are some photos with all three devices in the same lighting. Let's spot some differences. The portrait mode on this phone is something that you're going to enjoy a lot. I really liked the background blur and the edge detection and everything about the portrait mode, and even on iPhone 13 Pro, I really enjoy the portrait mode. And this, I think, is even better. What you're listening to is the
drunk version of
1080p recording, and my friend Ashmita is also here, and this is a very low light situation, as you can see.
You're going to Bihar tomorrow, so you might not be
I'm going to Bihar tomorrow. I just had to complete this video tonight.
I think it looks okay.
Yeah, still
Yeah,
even in low light the videos are I think, usable.
You can only record 1080p, up to 1080p on the front camera. So for a 70,000 rupees phone, can't even record 4K on the front camera.
बहुत मिस
अच्छे से जाओ, बस spend time with your dad.
Yeah, with the S24 Ultra. Bye, sweetheart. I'll see you again. तुम तो मिलते रहोगी. चल, bye. Drive safe, okay? Do you want to say something about Vivo x100?
I will wait for the review, for your review, because everybody else has clearly taken money.
I enjoyed the FunTouch 14 UI on this device. I've got no complaints there. It comes with Android 14 out of the box, and Vivo promised to give 3 years of software updates. The processor is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 with Immortalis G720 MC12 GPU. Like its strong name, the gaming performance is not very smooth. I played multiple games, and even after long sessions of gaming, the phone had no signs of overheating. But it might get warm at times, but it didn't bother me much. Overall, it's a feature-loaded phone, and the price might give you second thoughts before you buy one. I think it's always good to experience a live demo in any offline store before buying or doing what suits you. iPhones are so popular here in India, and I think at this price point, most people will consider buying an iPhone 14 or a OnePlus 11 maybe. But if the Vivo X100 attracts your attention and inspires you to extreme imagination, then you should know that it's a pretty capable phone. Just like a bright college student who charms the whole class with his performance on the first day. So this was my experience with the Vivo X100. It might not be the DSLR killer. I would love to try the Vivo X100 Pro. Maybe that is a DSLR killer. For real, who knows? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you're watching EdTech. Maybe meet again.